Class 10th, welcome to your geography class. In today's class, we are going to continue the same chapter, that is topographical maps. But in today's class, we are going to do some exercises related to topographical maps, right? So let's get started. I hope you all have revised the conventional signs and symbols and the important terms which I taught you in the previous video. So we are going to implement those signs and symbols and those terms in this exercises, right? So let's get started. And today I'm going to take three exercises together, appendix number 1, 2 and 3. So let's start. Okay, class 10, these are your maps. This is appendix number 1, this is appendix number 2 and appendix number 3, right? So we call it topographical map. So now just see the easting reading. Easting reading is this, right? Start from here, easting reading, and this is northing. Same here, easting reading, northing reading, northing. Scale is given there. So that's northing, right? So let's start our exercises. Okay, now here I'm reading the question that is from exercise 1, survey sheet number 45D by 10. So study the map and eastings where the reading are like this: easting 02 to 10 and northing 17 to 28, and answer the following questions. So now just see, the first question is, what do you understand by form lines? So I told you form lines are what? Form lines are complex of contour heights or contour lines, which those lines, the complex of contour lines show the presence of relief feature, that is hill, right? Okay, now next in appendix number 3, exercise number 3, the question is, first question is, what do you understand by ordnance maps? So ordnance map is also a survey map which gives or which contains less detail but covers a larger area, right? And show the places of interest like tourist spots or your roads, landscapes, etc. Right? So that's the ordnance map. So you are going to write in this, what do you understand by ordnance maps? Ordnance maps are also a survey maps which show less details or which contain less detail but covers a larger area and show places of interest such as a landscape or the places of interest, right? So both, we can say both physical and man-made features. Okay, now let's move to the next question, that is find out the 4-figure grid references of the following, that is settlement Jolpur. Now just see this topographical map. Okay, in appendix number 1, the second question was find the 4-figure grid reference of Jolpur. So Jolpur is here, but the settlement is here, right? Name is written here, but the settlement is here. So we are going to see this settlement here. So this is in this grid square. So the easting reading is, easting reading is 07, right? 07, and northing reading is 18, right? That's the 4-figure grid. 07 0718 is the 4-figure grid reference of Jolpur, right? Okay, now next exercise, that is exercise number 3, and the question is, okay, now 4-figure grid reference of Moti Talao near Gulabganj. So this settlement is here near Gulabganj. This is your Talao, that is Moti Talao. So you are going to find out the 4 grid reference of this Moti Talao. That is, this is in this grid square. So the easting reading is 19 and northing reading is after 1920, right? So 1920 is the four figure grid reference of Moti Talao. Now next question is find out the four figure grid reference of a dam on the Sipu Nadi. So Sipu Nadi is this, and this is a dam, right? So you are going to find out the four figure grid reference of this dam. So this is in the easting reading is 22 and the northing reading is 21. So 22, 21, you are going to write first easting reading, that is 22, 21. 22, 21 is the four figure grid reference of this dam which is made on this river, that is Sipu Nadi, right? Okay, now next question is find out the four figure grid reference of Stony Waste, which is towards the northwestern of the map. So this is your map, and northwestern means here. So northwestern, this is Stony Waste, northwestern side. So you are going to find out the four figure grid reference of the Stony Waste. Okay, this is your Stony Waste towards the northwestern side of this map. Now just see the easting reading. Easting reading is 18 and the northing reading is 27. So the Stony Waste is present in northwestern side of the this map, and the four figure grid reference is 1827. Clear? Okay, now let's move to the next question. Okay, now let's see how to find out the six-figure grid reference of this temple, which is at the southeastern of Jolpur, right? So this is the temple and this is your grid square. So four-figure grid, we know that is 0718. That is 07 space 18. So this is your four figure grid. Now let's find out the six figure grid. So you're going to put your scale like this, right? So you are going to count the bars. So just count the scale, this bars, that is 10, 15, 16, 16 and a half. So 16 and a half, that means 16 and a half, half of 16 and a half, that is 8 point something. So you are going to write 8 or 9, right? Okay, now next step is you are going to take this reading like this. So you just count the bar. So it is 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13, half of 13, that is 6.5. So you are going to take 6 or you are going to write 6 or 7. You are going to round off that. Now next question is from appendix number 3, exercise 3. So we are going to find out the six-figure grid reference of dispensary at Sirori. So Sirori is the settlement and dispensary is this one, red block, this square. So this is you are going to find out the six-figure grid of this dispensary, right? So this red block, the four-figure grid reference of this dispensary is 2023. So four figure is 20 space 23. Now put the scale like this and just count the bar. That is 1, 2. So 2, that means half of 2, that is 1. So you are going to write 1 here, half of 2, that is 1. And now we are going to measure, or we are going to take reading like this. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cm. That means 4, half of 4, that is 2. So this is 201232 is the 6-figure grid reference of this dispensary situated at Sirori. Okay, let's move to the next question. That is question number D, first part, exercise 1. So the symbol in grid square 0524, symbol 0524. So this one, what is the symbol? This is, what is the meaning of this symbol? This is dry tank without embankment. Now next question, 300 brown and grid square 0426. So this one. So this 300 with brown line, this is contour height with 300 meter, right? Now next question is 5R in grid square 0321. So 0321. So this 5R, this is just next, this 5R is just written next to the stream. So you are going to write the depth of the stream, that is 5 meter. Depth of the stream 5 meter. Now next is cluster of brown dots in grid square 020218. So these clusters of dots, brown dots, that signify the presence of sand, that is sand dunes. Sand dunes, right? Now red line in grid square 0723. So these red lines are cart tracks. Single red line, I told you these are cart tracks. Now next is what do you mean by motorable in dry season? So motorable in dry season, I told you that so it's written here. So this road is or the vehicle can move through this road during dry season only, because in rainy season it gets flooded, right? So that is motorable in dry season. Now from exercise 2, appendix number 2. Now here the question is B part. What does the brown line in grid square 10? So 10 is after 9. This is 10. 06. 1006 is this one. So what is this brown line? So this brown line is what indicate the brown line indicate with the height 260 meter here, 260 meter, that shows the contour height or contour line with 260 meter. Contour height you can write, or contour line with 260 meter. Okay, now from appendix number 3, exercise 3. The question is brown lines in grid square 2418. So 2418 is this, 24 is this, and 18 is this. So 2418. So these brown lines are what? These are form lines, because there are complex of contour lines, form lines, right? Now next is DB in grid square 2023, 2025. So 2025 is this one. So this DB is dark bungalow. Now next is next question is this one. This red blocks in red in grid square 2422, that is settlement. Now next is LY. So you see here LY. So LY, what does this mean? LY represents the number of 100 of kilometer eastward from the starting point. So this number is what? It's the number of 100 of kilometer eastward from the starting. Starting is here, from the starting. It is 100 of kilometers eastward from the starting point. That is LY, right? Now next is 9R in grid square 2020. So that's 9R 2020. You just see this is after 1920. 2020 here. So this 9R, this is just written next to this Sipu Nadi. So this 9R is the depth of the this Nadi. Depth of Sipu Nadi, that is 9 meter. Right? Now next, this is 22R, which is written in blue. in Greek square, that is 2323. So let's see where is 2323, 21, 22, 23, 23. 3 is this one. So this 22R. So this 22R is what? It's a perennial well. It's a perennial well. And the height of the well is 22 meter. And this blue dot is given here. This blue dot signifies the perennial well. So perennial well height is 22 meter of this perennial well. Okay. Okay children, that's all for the day. Remaining parts of these exercise will continue in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.